Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing good and you're taking good care of yourself. Well, happy Independence Day to all of you. Today I'm going to tell you something different in this session. We all know listening is so important. We all know why listening is so important. Just because listening will help you to understand the language well, it will help you to grasp vocabulary, words, sentence construction, meaning, pronunciation, and lots more. So, we all know what is the advantage of listening in English. So, when we want to learn to speak English fluently and confidently, what we need to do, or the first thing we need to do, is we have to immerse ourselves in English, or we have to create an English environment around us. And I have told you many times what this means, how you can immerse yourself in English and how you can create an English environment around you. Okay, just by listening or watching stuffs in English. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to talk about this in today's video, and I'm going to tell you 9 movies which you can watch to actually help you in your speaking practice. Yes, these movies are not only going to help you in listening and understanding the language, but it is actually going to help you in your speaking practice. So stay tuned and watch the full video to know things in detail. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And guys, if you want to know more about my sessions or interesting topics or how to speak English fluently and confidently, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost. Yes. Now let's get started. The first wonderful movie is The King's Speech. This was released in 2010. This is a wonderful movie which will help you in your pronunciation and your intonation practice. Trust me on this. Here the character King George VI's speech was not very clear. He used to stutter. He used to fumble. So his speech was not very clear. Now in this movie it is shown that how King George VI struggled to overcome his stutter and he gave a good speech at the end. So it is all about his struggle to become fluent and confident in speaking in English or to overcome his stutter so that he's able to pronounce words well and give a good speech. Okay, watch this movie. It is a wonderful movie and it is really going to help you in many ways. The next movie is The Social Network. This was also released in 2010. This is also a wonderful movie. This is about Mark Zuckerberg, and we all know him. We all know who Mark Zuckerberg is, and it is about his story, how he came up with Facebook, right? So it has a lot of modern English vocabulary phrased used in everyday conversations. So when you listen to this story or when you'll watch this movie, you'll get to know a lot of phrases which are used in everyday English, and you will get to know a lot of basic common vocabulary which is also used in everyday or day-to-day English speaking conversations or English speaking. Okay, so you'll get to know, along with the story of Mark Zuckerberg, which is very interesting, you will get to know how new words, new vocabularies and phrases which we can use in our daily conversation. Okay, so watch this movie as well. The next one is, which is one of my all-time favorite, is The Pursuit of Happiness. The Pursuit of Happiness. This was released in 2006, but it is a wonderful movie, guys. It is truly amazing. It is one of my favorites till date. Whenever I get a chance, I do watch this movie. It's wonderful. And it has my favorite actor also. Will Smith is my favorite actor. Trust me on this. I love his acting. So it is about a father and a son, relationship of a father and a son, and it's beautifully displayed in the movie. The movie is full of motivation, and it is a true story which is very inspirational. We all should watch something which is really a true story and inspiration. so that we also draw something, we also conclude something, or we also get to know something new from that, and we can also start putting it in our practice as well. Okay, so we should always look forward to movies or books which are really inspirational or motivational, or which has a story which can inspire people, which can motivate people. And this is one of them. It is a beautiful story. Watch this. It will enhance your listening skills, and you learn a lot of motivational dialogues also. There are a lot of motivational dialogues which will motivate you, inspire you to achieve something in life. Okay, so watch this movie for sure. Another movie is The Devil Wears Prada. Prada is a brand, okay, which is very expensive. So this movie is called The Devil Wears Prada, which was also released in 2006. And this shows a comparison between, a high standard and a middle class, mindset or fashion sense, or, struggles basically. So you'll get to know a lot of formal and informal English, and it is about a fashion world which is very changing, very much, and demanding. So fashion world is, of course, it is very volatile, it changes every time. So this movie gives you an insight about the fashion world, how it changes, what are the things which happen, what kind of people are there, how you have to change your mindset, how you have to change your outlook, how you have to change yourself to be one of those. So it's about that, and it is also a wonderful movie. So watch this. The next movie is Friends with Benefits. It was released in 2011. Friends with Benefits. This is also a good movie. It's a bit of a witty movie, a humorous movie mixed with everything. So all emotions are there in this movie. It's basically about friends, and lots of slang is also used in this movie. A lot of wit is there, like humor is there, and a lot of casual conversations also you get to know in this. Okay, how people talk in a casual way, how people use slang, how they have witty conversations or humorous conversations also. So you'll get to know a lot of different types of conversations which goes on in this movie. Okay, so this is also a must watch. You can try watching this movie. You'll get to know a lot of things in this as well. Another movie is The Proposal, which was released in 2009. This has Sandra Bullock. She's also one of my favorite. I love her comedy. So this is also a witty movie as well. It's just a mix of everything. So this has a lot of wit and humor as well. And I love these kind of movies which have a mixture of wit and, kind of little serious. At times it becomes wit, humorous, and, it's a mix of all the emotions. I love watching these kind of movies, which is a mix of everything. So this is one of them. You learn a lot of idiomatic expressions, idioms, and witty dialogues also are there. So you will laugh also, and you will get to learn a lot of new phrases and idiomatic phrases and expressions here. Another interesting movie is The Internship. It was released in 2013, and this is about two people, or the main characters of the movie, who wanted to get a job at Google and how they achieved it. So they competed for a coveted job at Google, and how they did it, how they make it to Google, and how they competed. So it's all about their struggle. So it's about their struggle in the movie, and you'll get to learn a lot of industry specific terms or vocabulary, how it is used, and how we can speak and how we can have a conversation. So a lot of things are there to learn from this movie, guys. Do watch this movie. It's a nice movie, it's a good movie, and it will help you in learning and understanding a lot of things, enhancing your skills basically. Another movie is La La Land. It was released in 2016. This is a musical movie. Can improve your listening skills by listening to learning their poetic dialogues. It's form of a poetry, form of a song. So we listen to different songs to learn English, right? So this is a good movie which you can watch. Its theme is musical, so you can always watch this movie. It's a very light-hearted movie, so you can watch this movie as well. The last movie I would suggest is 7 Pounds. This is a Will Smith movie. I'm a fan of Will Smith, and I really like his movies. So 7 Pounds is also one of them. Do watch these movies, and you will get to know a lot of things. So this will improve your listening skills, this will improve your vocabulary, this will improve your intonation and pronunciation practice, and it will help you in making new sentences also. You'll get to know a lot of phrases, a lot of idioms, and a lot of music also. You will get to know a lot of songs. You will be able to practice the songs also with the movie, right? So listen to it carefully. While you're watching anything, you have to listen very carefully. So what these movies does is it will hold you. It will hold you so that you focus on the movie more. These have interesting concepts, different interesting stories, so that and interesting actors and actresses which will help you to focus on the movie well. And if you focus on the movie well, you will get to learn a lot of different aspects of English speaking for sure, definitely. So guys, this was a short session on movies. I'll catch you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep watching, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.